Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another day in the blog. Honestly, I apologize. I haven't done any videos for the past probably week and a half or 2 weeks now. I'm being very busy at the shop. I had a lot of back to work right now. I've been trying to finish it on time, but we only have 2 employees working with us. But anyhow, right now, oh my god, my neighbor is annoying. He just put this hard, like super loud salsa music every single day of the week. I'm just gonna roll a clip of the last day that I just told you guys that I was gonna go to a reunion. I don't know, I don't remember right now if I told you guys, but yes, the last thing that I record was a reunion for old school racers, and my dad and I were invited to it. So we went there and I record a couple of cars like SRT8, Hellcat. There was a Mustang Cobra there, supercharged with almost 800 horsepower. It was nasty. And a couple of Porsche, Volkswagens, and classic cars. But after that, I've been working so hard at the shop that I haven't even had time just to grab the camera and record stuff. Like I said before, when I started working at the shop after my vacations, it was gonna be very hard just to vlog or do videos. Enough said, let's roll the clip.
Shout to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys. And you're ready. Peace. Shout to all my lost boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my lost boys. Shout to all my lost boys. Shout to all my lost boys. Shout to all my lost boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my lost boys. And you're ready. Peace. Shout to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys.
Damn guys, right now it's a very nice weather outside. It hasn't been like this for the past probably month and a half. Since this summer here in Puerto Rico, the lowest that we can get is like 84 degrees, and the highest, well, it's the Caribbean, you get like 101 or 102. Hope you like that clip that I just did on my video. Honestly, I love cars, that's my passion. I love food. I haven't done any video exactly of me cooking. I'm gonna try to do tonight something what I normally do on a weekday. I'm probably gonna prepare salmon with just a couple of onions and a little bit of butter, and maybe red mashed potatoes. So let's see how that goes. I have an Instagram follower that PM'd me a couple of weeks ago what kind of car I drive. I told him that I drive a 2014 Nissan Versa. He goes like, well, that has to be tuned or something, because on the videos that I have seen from you on YouTube, it sounds really nice. Like, it has a very good rumble sound on it. I said, look, dude, like, the only thing that I have right now is an intake, and that's it. I don't have no mods on my car. If it doesn't rain that hard, I probably can go to my parents' house. They have a very, very nice, probably half mile. It's just a drag strip down there. And I will try to do 0 to 60 or 0 to 70 down there. Let's see what happens. I'm just gonna see if I can rumble it. Yes, it sounds really nice. And people goes like, do you change the engine on that car? I'm like, nope. It has a 1.6 little engine that it comes with 110 or 111 horsepower. Maybe in the future, when it turns 50,000 miles, that it has no more warranty on it, I'll just change the exhaust system, bigger exhaust pipes, and titanium exhaust. I know it's gonna sound completely different than it's right now, but I hopefully wish that it will change the sound of the car and the performance of the car. It's starting to rain. I don't know if you can see it on the windshield, those little drops. Yeah, it's starting to rain a little bit. Let me finish this, see if I can vacuum the car later on during the Let's see if I can vacuum the car during the day, and after that maybe hang out with my brother a little bit, grab a couple of drinks, yeah, water, maybe watch a movie or something like that. I don't know, see what happens. I'm just gonna wrap it up for tonight. I'm gonna hang out with my brother in a couple of minutes. After that, probably go watch a movie with my wife and my daughter. I just want to leave a little bit of footage for my next video. So I hope you got a great night, and I hope you got a great weekend. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and talk to you guys later. Peace out.
Yes! Oh my